Okay, I haven't decided yet if this is gonna work, this little setup that we've got going on here. You know what, actually, let's get a candle going. Look at us. Anyways, guys, welcome back. I feel like I'm doing like one of those CBeebies bedtime stories. Today I'm doing a what's in my backpack. Been meaning to make this video for the past like 2 weeks, but for some reason I find it really hard to do like sit down videos where I just sit and talk at the camera and it's not like a vlog, because like I mostly make vlogs. So also, guys, what do you think of my new plant in the background? I don't know if you can see her, but she is real. She is real. Believe it or not, I am actually looking after a real life plant for once in my life, because I do have a lot of plants in this room, but they are all fake, unfortunately, because every single plant that I've ever had in my entire life just dies. Apart from my one cactus that I've had for like 3 years, but that's only because cactuses don't need watering. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my backpack video, because I don't know, I really like stationery haul videos and stuff like that, so I just feel like doing a what's in my backpack video would be really fun. I really like watching these types of videos where people just like show basically what is in their bags. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a little school bag unboxing, which is really heavy right now, because basically because I go to college I don't have the same lessons every day, so I don't usually actually have all of this stuff in here. Usually it's like I don't know, like half of it, but I've just put everything that I usually at some point in my week will have in my bags. I've just put it all in there, so I wouldn't take all of this to college. I would just take like whatever I need for that day. But yeah, I thought I should probably start with saying I have a Dickies bag. It's just like I'll link it if anyone wants to know, but it's literally just like a black little rucksack with like the tiniest little Dickies sign. But I love that bag so much. This is my favourite bag ever. It does the job, it fits everything, it's cute. The only thing I would say that's not good about it is if you wear like a fluffy jumper, your whole jumper will be on the bag by the end of the day. Like my whole bag will be like green, because I don't know why it picks up fluff so easily. That's literally the only bad thing I have to say about it. It has a little water bottle pouch. It has these front little zips, which I love using. Not zips, just like little pouches that I just open on the front. And then it does have like a little zip bit here. I'll show you the bag properly maybe at the end when I've taken everything out of it. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so first things first, which is the heaviest and just most annoying thing to have in my bag, is my laptop. I just have this little, I think it's like 12-inch, maybe 13-inch, I don't actually remember, laptop case, which is, I don't know if you can see that writing, it says Mosiso, but it was literally from Amazon, and I think it was like £12 maybe, I don't know, I can't remember, I don't think it was that much, but it was literally, it's quite good. It's quite like it has a lot of protection, that my bag is protected in there, like it's never gonna, I mean my laptop's always protected in there, so like it's never gonna break basically. And then I'll show you my actual laptop. Again, don't know what laptop I have. I can like find it for you. I can find it in my order somewhere if anyone really wants to know that bad, but I doubt they do. I just have this, I think it's Lenovo, yeah, it's a Lenovo laptop. And I've got my cute little stickers on it. I want to get more stickers. I've just been like, these are stickers I've just collected over time. Like I haven't like gone out of my way to like buy laptop stickers. I don't like doing that. I just like finding stickers that I've just found over time and putting them on there. But yeah, it's just a Lenovo one. It is, I'll open it for you. I think it's like, oh, hello. Oh, look at that, it's got the same background as my laptop, as my PC, because I'm that good. I think this is like the perfect size for a laptop, like perfect. Like I wouldn't want it any bigger or any smaller. Like I don't know if you can kind of see compared to me. Like I feel like some people would say this is small for a laptop, because my laptop is quite small compared to like people that I go to school with and stuff, but I feel like this is a perfect laptop. Like I love my laptop so much. It's so good. I had a MacBook for a while, for like maybe like a year. It was like secondhand, it wasn't like, I'm not that rich, don't worry. It broke, and also I just didn't know how to use it, because I feel like iPhones are so easy to use. Like that's the best thing about having an iPhone. excuse me. Good thing about having an iPhone is that they are so like, I don't know, once you know how to use them, you just know how to use them. I feel like I'm not in focus. But the MacBooks, I just couldn't get my head around it. I didn't know how to use things, how to find things, how to change settings. They're just so confusing to me. I don't know why, because like I love having like Apple products mostly. Well, Apple products, I literally have an iPhone and like I don't even have AirPods anymore. I literally have an iPhone, I've got nothing else. But I used to have like, I used to have AirPods, I used to have something else. I don't even know what I was talking about. This laptop is amazing. It's really good. It's touch screen. I just know I'm tapping on it like anything's gonna happen. But it comes with like a little pen. I don't know where the pen is actually, to be quite honest with you. It turns into a tablet. Ooh. But this is a good this is a good laptop. Is what I'm trying to say. Flipping hell, Lilia. I always elaborate way too far, don't I? Anyway, you guys have seen these books. I've also got a pink one that's in my bag. But you guys have seen these books because I showed them. I showed these in my back to school video because I literally bought these for this year. But my absolute like school essentials are pucker pads. I do 3 A-levels and they came in a pack of 3, 1 for each subject. Absolutely perfect. My other 2 books that at some point I will carry with me are these 2 little notepads. Now if you watch my videos you will know about this stupid little pink bullet journal. It's not even a bullet journal, it actually has lines on it, so I don't know why I said that, but just this little journal because it is literally my lifeline. I love this book. It has my whole life in it pretty much. When I say that, not really, but it just is so good for organisation because I love just like writing stuff down. Like I love making lists. I've got my YouTube ideas page. I've got my little weekly reminders that I do every week. If having a lot to do stresses you out, get a journal or like a planner and just write out what you need to do. Like literally having it out in front of you just makes it so much easier to tackle because you can even put it in a list of what's most important to least important, cross everything out as you go, and it's literally just perfect basically. And then I also have this little, like, it's a really thin little notebook which I bought from Stationery Pal. I think it's literally just got blue cats on it. I think you also saw this in my, to be fair, you saw a lot of this in my school video if you did watch it. This is my EPQ booklet, which it's quite small because a lot of your EPQ work you do online, so I just bought a little notebook for like if I want to make a little mind map or just like scribble down ideas or whatever like for my project, then I can just use this. So yeah, that is useful. And then the next thing that is, again, this is always in my bag no matter where I go, what I do, these headphones are always with me. But I feel like if you guys watch YouTube and you like back to school stuff, then you've definitely seen these just headphones in general anywhere somewhere else. But I just have they're Sony, such good headphones. They're so cute and just like, you know, they're like just minding my business on the bus on the way to school. So yeah, very good headphones. Very, very, very expensive. So I'm not saying this in a way of like go buy them, because I do understand how absolutely ridiculous that is. They are an ungodly amount, which I don't even want to say on this video because I'm embarrassed that much came out of my bank account on these headphones. I wanted them for a while and it was like a gift to myself basically, so I'm excusing it, but it's also not okay. This is my pencil case. It's just like, I used to have a really cute one with a pink zip, but I think I lost it. I don't know what happened to it, but don't know where it is. This is literally like a £1 pencil case from like Tesco, I'm pretty sure. Like, I love these clear pencil cases because like other pencil cases that I've had, I just struggle to find the stuff inside of it because I feel like I'm like digging around. So I love having a clear pencil case where I can just see what's in there and grab it, and it's easy and simple. You guys are probably thinking, gosh, you have a Mary Poppins backpack with all the stuff that you're putting in there, but I'm telling you, I don't bring all of this stuff every single day. Like, I'll bring like one of those Parker pads for like whatever lesson I have that day, or like 2, and then my laptop, and like, you know, like it won't be all of it. So another thing that is always in my bag is my little mint green water bottle. This thing is just, I'm always drinking out of this. Like, if you guys want a trick to being able to drink more water, like if you want someone that's really unhydrated and you don't drink a lot of water, buy a like nice water bottle and you'll just want to drink out of it. This is not even that nice of a water bottle. It's literally from, I mean, it's from Gymshark. I don't know why I bought it from Gymshark. I think it's because I was looking for one that had like a sippy top, and they just happened to have one, and yeah, it's cute. It doesn't even, like, you can't even really tell it's Gymshark unless you look really closely, but I just love the colour. So yeah, like, I'm not a gym rat or anything, I just like this water bottle. But I do also want to buy another water bottle to just change around, because I feel like I always have this water bottle and I feel like I should just change to another one sometimes, because I just drink out of this all the time. The only bad thing about it is that it's slightly on the small side, so I literally down this bottle in like an hour, you know, like I'm refilling this thing every hour, because I'm just constantly like sipping until it just goes, and then I have to refill it again. So the only thing that's kind of bad about it is that it's not the biggest of water bottles, but it's really not that big of a deal. I just keep refilling it and it's fine. I don't really ever take anything else. I always take like a little, I don't actually know where it is right now, but I always take my little thing of Vaseline and some hand sanitizer, and that's pretty much all that's in my bag. I don't really take anything more than that. I will give you guys like a closer look at my bag if I just put this down here. I don't really know. Oh, that's my toes. So yeah, this is my bag. It has these little 2 front pockets like that, where I just leave my like if you live in like a place that's like really, I don't know, like people steal stuff out your bags or like pickpockety. Oh, there's my Vaseline. That's the Vaseline I was talking about. Yeah, that's always in there. Then I wouldn't recommend putting anything, you know, you care about in these things, because someone could literally just steal it from behind you and I wouldn't know. But I don't put anything in there. I just put my lanyard in there because it's not really that important, I guess, and like some Vaseline. And that's the only things that I'll put in there, or like maybe like a pen, just for easy access. But then yeah, you've also got these pockets. Oh, I didn't even realise I had these pens in here. Oh, well, that's nice. It has these 2 little like handles, which I like because it's just easy to carry. There's this like extra pocket which I put my laptop in, and then everything else just sort of sits in the middle like a normal backpack. Yeah, there's also this thing which you would think would be so irrelevant, but whenever I travel, I always hook my neck pillow onto that thing, because it's like, you know what I'm trying to say, like it's like a little hook bit basically where you can like clip something on there. So that's really useful. If you guys travel a lot, then you can put a neck pillow on there basically. So yeah, I think that's actually it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If anyone wants to know where anything's from or stuff like that, I mean, not that there's anything crazy interesting that anyone wants, but you can just ask and I'll tell you, I guess, if I can even find where I bought stuff from. What else would I really be missing that might not be in there right now? Like my phone, my keys, but I don't think you guys care about that stuff. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe.